Friends, today we are going to learn about OOP.in. This video you can know about. What is OOP? Benefits of OOP. OOP concept terms used in OOP. Difference between C and C++. OOP, object-oriented programming. OOP paradigm based on the concept of object, which can contain data and code. Data in the form of fields, often known as attributes or properties, and code, in the form of procedures, often known as methods. OOP was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup in 1979. It is a superset of C programming language. It supports both procedural and object-oriented programming paradigms. It is an object-driven language. Benefits of OOP. It implements real-life scenario. It provides a clear modular structure for programs. It is easy to maintain and modify existing code as new objects can be created with small differences to existing ones. It is good for defining abstract data types. Objects, methods, instance, message passing, inheritance, are some important property of OOP. Encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction are some fundamental features of OOP. Object-oriented approach. The main idea behind object-oriented approach is to combine process and data into a unit called an object. Hence, object-oriented approach focuses on object rather than procedure. The key idea of the object-oriented approach are objects, class and inheritance, instances and instantiation methods and messages. OOP concept. OOP, object-oriented programming, is a programming paradigm that uses abstraction to create models based on the real-world environment. An object-oriented application uses a collection of objects, which communicate by passing message to request services. The main aim of OOP is to try to increase the flexibility and maintainability of program. Terms used in OOP concept. 1. Object and physical logical units having specific characteristics which match to real world are called as object. 2. Class. It is a collection of objects that have common properties, operation and behaviors. 3. Abstraction. Abstraction means to show only the necessary detail to client of the object. Abstraction is related to both encapsulation and data hiding. 4. Encapsulation. It is an OOP concept that binds together the data and function that manipulate the data and that keeps both safe from outside interference and misuse. 5. Inheritance. When a class acquires the property of another class is known as inheritance. It is process of object reusability. 6. Polymorphism. It is derived from two Greek words, poly and morphism. Poly means many and morphism means forms. So, polymorphism means many forms. Difference between C and C++. C is a structural or POP language. C++ is an OOP language. C function are the fundamental building blocks. C++ objects are the fundamental building blocks. CC is a middle language. C++ is a high-level language. C programs are divided into modules and functions. C++ programs are divided into classes and functions. CC follows top-down approach. C++ follows bottom-up approach. CC program file is saved with .c extension. C++ program file is saved with .cpp extension. CC does not support inheritance. C++ support inheritance. CC uses scanf and printf for standard input and output. C++ uses sin and cout for standard input and output. C. Virtual and friend function are not supported by C. C++ virtual and function are supported by C++. C and C. The data is not secured. C++ data is hidden and cannot be accessed by external function.